I've been uploading videos on YouTube for some months now, and there are some things that I have learned about YouTube. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some brutally honest truths that you need to know about YouTube. Most big YouTubers will not tell you this because they might just want to sell something to you, or they just want you to be stuck at low views. I don't know why. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys some things that I have learned on YouTube, and they are so like brutally honest. So make sure you stick with me till the end because everything I will say in this video is very, very necessary. So let's step right into it. Guys, before we proceed, I am not going to pretend or sugarcoat anything. I'm going to tell you exactly how it is on YouTube, what works, how to fix your problem, and how to actually grow on YouTube. So if you're ready, if you want to grow your channel, make sure you keep watching. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Samuel and I make videos about YouTube growth. So if you're interested in growing your channel with me, make sure you like this video and make sure you subscribe. So let's dive in. There is a challenge that I'm going to be giving you guys at the end of this video, so be sure to watch this video till the end to know the challenge. This challenge is for all YouTubers that want to succeed, so make sure you watch till the end. So the first brutally honest truth I'm going to be sharing with you guys on YouTube is that you are not entitled to views. Even if you go out and you buy the highest camera in the world, you spend like 10 hours editing your videos, you do everything doable, like you do everything, and you're now expecting that when you post your videos, people will watch your videos. It's not possible. Like, YouTube does not owe you views. YouTube does not owe you views. If your thumbnail and your title are poorly designed, nobody will click on your videos. They will scroll away from your videos. You have to sit down and design your thumbnail very, very well. Like, you have to design it very, very well. And it has to be attention grabbing. People need to see your thumbnail and be like, what is this video about? Let's find out more about this video. Then your title, even before you create your video, you need to craft a compelling title. So even if you like use the highest camera in the world, nobody will still watch your videos as long as your thumbnail and title are not well designed. So YouTube does not owe you views. Don't be like, okay, I've done everything I'm doing and YouTube is still like withholding my views. It's not YouTube, it's you. Stop thinking that your channel is shadow banned, that maybe your channel was blacklisted on YouTube. It's a lie. As long as you're not doing what you're supposed to do, those views will not come. That is the first brutal honest truth I'm going to be sharing with you guys. You see, views are earned. Views are earned. That is one thing that you need to know about YouTube. So even if you like record your video with the highest camera, record your video with the highest iPhone, your views will not still come. Consistency is not enough. Consistency without strategy is wasted time. You're going to like be uploading the same video over and over again and you will still not get views. You will still not get that thing you're looking for on YouTube. So you need to strategize the way you create content. You need to check out your competitors, you know, those people doing the same thing as you on YouTube. Check out their channel, especially those successful ones. Then check out their videos, look at how they create their videos, check out what's new, how they create their videos, what is working. Check out all those things. Then when you do it, remix it. Try to do your own. Try to create your own in your own way. And always post videos with a purpose. Don't just post videos because you feel like posting maybe a particular topic. No. You have to be uploading what people want to watch. That is why you have to be checking your competitors to know what is working. That is what you need to do. So you don't just wake up in the morning and start posting videos because you feel like posting, or you post whatever interests you. If you do it, nobody will watch it because nobody wants to see it. Nobody is searching for that thing you're posting on YouTube. So try to check out your competitors, check out what is working for them, check out how they are like creating content, then strategize yours, create yours and post yours in the same way. And also don't forget to check your analytics, because you know your YouTube analytics, analytics will give you so many information that you need about your videos and other people's videos. So if you're a creator and you're serious about YouTube, you want to like make it on YouTube, try to be checking your analytics. Your analytics will let you know what is working on YouTube. Another brutally honest truth I'm going to be sharing with you guys is if your videos are too long or too slow, you're going to be losing viewers. People will not watch your videos. People will click off immediately from your videos. So if you're the kind of creator that when you post your videos on YouTube and somebody is watching that video and you've not yet arrived at the point in like 40 seconds into the video, you've not still like talked about the main thing that video is about, nobody will watch your video. Nobody will watch it. They will click off immediately and YouTube will not recommend that video to others. So you need to hook your viewers in the first 30 seconds. The first 30 seconds, That is how fast you can grab someone's attention. If somebody is watching your videos in like they are watching your videos and after 30 seconds you've still not like arrived at a point, you've still not hit the nail on the head, nobody will watch your videos. They will click off immediately. So try to hook your viewers. And if you don't know how to hook your viewers, I've already done a video on how to hook your viewers. So make sure you click that video card when you're done with this video. So try to hook your viewers. Forget about getting subscribers or watch time and all those things, views. Just focus on learning how to hook your viewers. And when you learn how to hook your viewers, you see your views will be coming. People will watch your video from the beginning to the end. And you know one thing with YouTube is when people are spending time watching your videos, they will watch it from the beginning to the end. Then YouTube will start sending your video out so that others will see your video. To be sending out a good signal to the YouTube algorithm that this video is actually nice and people are spending time watching this video. So just try to perfect your hook. Try to like construct a powerful hook that will keep people watching. Even after 30 seconds, they will watch till the very end. So try to do that and everything will change. Some small YouTubers are fond of comparing themselves with big YouTubers. Listen, you don't have to compare yourselves because big YouTubers are not the same with you. You know, they started years ago. Meanwhile, you started maybe 2 months ago, 1 week ago, 20 days ago. So you cannot compare yourself with them. They have a team, they have editors, they have people that do things for them, they have people that like record them, do everything for them, and they earn in millions of dollars. Meanwhile, you're not earning anything on YouTube, you're not yet monetized, or maybe you're monetized but your money is not even up to theirs. So you don't have to compare yourself with them. Stop comparing yourself with them. What I'm going to advise you to do is just study them, study the way they create their content. That is, if they are doing the same thing as you. So just study the way they create their content and try to like put in your own essence. Try to create your own the same way they're creating theirs. Don't copy everything they're doing, their thumbnail design, their everything. No, just create your own in your own way and copy their style of creating content. That's the advice I'm going to give you. So stop comparing yourself with big YouTubers. One day you're going to definitely get there. Another brutally honest truth that I am going to be sharing with you guys is that nobody cares until you make it on YouTube. Nobody cares if you don't have a good camera, if you're always working from 9 to 6 or 9 to 5, or you don't have time to create videos, or after you upload your videos, you have 5 views or 10 views. Nobody cares about that. Nobody will take pity on you. Nobody will be like, oh, come, I'm going to help you. Nobody will do that. They will only start caring when you start making it on YouTube. That is why you don't need to look at anybody. Just create your content. Keep on creating your content. Be determined because nobody cares. And even if you give up, they will not still care. Nobody will notice you until you do that thing that will make them notice you. This advice is very, very important for small YouTubers, especially if you're determined to monetize your channel and start making money on YouTube. So you need to focus on that dream. Try to achieve that dream because even if you give up, nobody will still care. Nobody will reach out and ask you, why are you not posting your videos again? So you have to make them care. You have to keep on posting your videos. You have to keep on posting your videos. Like, you have to re-strategize the way you create your videos. If you're consistent and you're still not getting views, try to change the way you create your videos. Like I said before, study your competitors, know what is working, then be consistent. Try to be posting your videos weekly because nobody cares. Nobody cares until you make it on YouTube. This advice is very, very necessary if you want to make it on YouTube. Just know it. Nobody cares until you make it on YouTube. Another honest truth that you need to know about YouTube is that growth on YouTube is painfully slow until it isn't. You know, it doesn't last forever. Before I got my 100 subscribers, I know how it took me. I know how long it took me to get 100 subscribers. It took me like 3 months to get 100 subscribers. Honestly speaking, I started from scratch. I don't have any Instagram followers. I am not a celebrity. I just started from scratch on YouTube. So it took me that long to get 100 subscribers. So, you know, one video can get you 100,000 subscribers. Yes, one video can get you that. I remember like posting one video on this YouTube. This video got me 100 subscribers within 1 week. This same 100 subscribers that took me 3 months to get when I started newly, just a video got me 100 subscribers within 1 week. So you have to keep on posting. Getting that 100 subscribers will be very, very difficult. Getting 1,000 will feel like a lifetime, but you know, it won't last forever, because one video can change everything. You might decide to post one video today and that video will blow up and it will get you thousands and thousands of subscribers and watch time. It happens. So you have to keep posting your videos. One video can change everything. One video can give you everything that you want on YouTube. So I'm going to advise you to keep on posting your videos, especially if you're not getting the results that you desire. Just keep posting your videos. Re-strategize the way you post your content, and you're going to see that things will change for you. That is the honest truth. And again, there is this record, this thing that they said about YouTube. They said people that open YouTube are like, there are thousands and millions of them, but 90% usually give up. Only 10% make it to monetization. Only 10%. So do you want to be part of the 90% that give up? So many people, after they post their first, second, third video and they don't get any results, they will just stop posting videos. Yes, there are so many accounts, so many channels on YouTube that I have seen that, like, you know, that people abandoned just because they did not get what they are looking for. So don't be part of these people. Try to focus on your goal. Remember the reason why you started YouTube. Just remember that reason. Then don't give up. Just keep posting your videos, and before you know it, everything will change. So the challenge that I am going to give you guys is, I want you to calm down. Stop blaming the algorithm. Stop saying that your channel is shadow banned. Just try to re-strategize. Like I said before, focus on your competitors and know what is working. Try it out for just 1 month, then you're going to see that things will change in your channel. That is the challenge I'm going to be giving you guys. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe for more YouTube growth tips. That is, if you want to be seeing more videos from me, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So I'm going to be seeing you guys in the next video. And also, please don't forget to check out the video card showing on your screen right now.